We're doing some testing with the new M300, and this is the new thermal payload that has both thermal, optical zoom, and a rangefinder built in. We're testing the zoom right now, and we're looking at a license plate. So as you can see, this is from the rangefinder. We are about 1,300 feet away and 360 feet up altitude. You can see how far it is. It's tracking there. Go ahead and hit the zoom one time. And there it is from the zoom. We are looking clearly see the license plate from that range and that altitude. That's absolutely fantastic. One of the big things on that makes it better than the Z30 is the resolution of this new optical zoom camera is significantly greater, like 10 times plus greater than the Z30. So anyway, there might be a little bit of glare on it but from where we're looking, it's absolutely crazy. And it's tracking it. You might be able to see it tracking that thing there. So anyway, great capability.